It's your girl Renee, and I thought I'd make a quick video on the dehydrator. And the next thing that I put in my dehydrator was some red onions and some white onions that I had grew in my garden. And let me tell you the scoop on dehydrating these onions. Well, I cut them all up and I was able to get 5 trays of these dehydrated onions, which you can see. There's a tray. And I used the liner this time so all these little pieces of the onions wouldn't go through the trays and they would get down to the bottom. So that was great. But that is not what the real reason I'm bringing you this video. Are you ready for this? The reason why I'm bringing you this video is because let me tell you, if you have a dehydrator and you are doing onions, which thank goodness I did not do not, and I stress, do not put this dehydrator of onions in your house. Reason being, from what I experienced, I put my dehydrator out into my garage because I knew that onions, especially freshly grown onions, are very aromatic, very pungent, has a strong scent. And trust and believe when I say a strong scent, aromatic and pungent, and let's stress pungent smell, OMG. I put those onions in my garage, cut it on, and I think within because it was supposed to be done in 7 hours. Well, let me tell you, on the 5th hour of dehydrating these onions, the whole garage smelled like onions. Oh my gosh, I went out there and my eyes were watering. I had to put my garage door up, and this is like, I started at 2, so around 8 o'clock, 7:30, 8 o'clock. Woo! That smell started coming through our vent. It seemed like that smell was able to just come under the door, garage door, under the door that leads to our garage. The whole house smelled like onions. My husband, it was pulling people out of spots I didn't even know existed. My husband came out of his computer room and he was like, "What is going on here? What is that smell?" I told him onions. My daughter came down and she was like, "Mom, oh my goodness, those onions are so smelly." So, with that being said, I decided that because I was going to try to save money by dehydrating onions and stuff like that, but I think this product, I will just have to suck it up and buy it off the shelf because I tried. The smell was just too much for me. So that is what I have decided to do. But I'm not trying to discourage you. I'm just trying to let you know some of the drawbacks of dehydrating onions. Maybe you have a better technique. If I ever do this again, and I stress ever, it will be outside and on my patio table in the shade. And I don't know, maybe it needs to be in a well ventilated area, a wide area, because I guess my garage was not big or wide or didn't have enough ventilation or something, air circulation, airflow, whatever. But I am done with doing onions, so I have decided that I'm going to take these onions that I dehydrated, and for the 7, 8 hours, they're still, they still need to go a little bit more, but because they're supposed to be, like really dry and crunchy. But I've decided, since I am cooking stewed chicken today, that I was going to put them in my pot and let that strong onion scent flavor my stewed chicken. So this stewed chicken over here should be amazing. amazing. Once I have all put all my other seasonings and stuff in this pot, it should be a dinner out of this world. Well, I just wanted to let you know about dehydrating onions. I have 5 of these trays that I'm going to dump all this contents into my pot over here that I'm making for dinner tonight. So, all right, that's your girl, Renee, let you know that, whew, and if you don't like the smell of onions, and I don't really eat onions like that, so for me, whoo, that smell. So I have got to be burning some candles today and Lysoling, open up my windows so I can try to get this onion smell out of my house. And the thing is, they weren't even in my house. They were in the garage. You hear me? In the garage. Far away from my door that comes out of my house. Woo! Lesson learned. But see, you never know until you try things. My pineapples, my pears, and my herbs, they were great. Onions, not so great. So the next thing I'm going to try to do is I think I'm going to, I brought some fresh pears. I'm going to cut those up because I love the dehydrated pears. And I'm going to stick those in there and see what happens. All right, guys, hope you're having a wonderful day. Just wanted to bring this video to you to let you know about my experience with dehydrating onions. Woo! All right, that's all I can say is woo! All right, talk to you soon. Have a fabulous day. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and watch for the notification bell so you'll know when I have a video coming your way. All right, guys, have a wonderful day. Take care.